Equipment component list. Camera, lens, Wi-Fi, data cable, bracket. Installation and fixing a bracket and camera. Fully unfold the bracket, then adjust its height and angle. Place it steadily on flat ground to ensure it is stable and free of shaking. Mount the camera on the tripod head. Tighten the fixing knob to securely lock the camera in place, to ensure the camera stays completely still, and the position remains stable during shooting. Equipment circuit connection. Use the dedicated data cable. Precisely connect the Wi-Fi controller to the interface of the L camera. Insert firmly and securely to complete the wired physical connection. Host startup and debugging. Firmly clamp the positive and negative clamps of the host onto the photovoltaic module. Connect the external power supply and plug in the power. Press the power button of the host. Wait for the device to start up until the voltage value is normally displayed on the screen. Device networking and app binding. Turn on the power of the Wi-Fi router. Then turn on the L camera. Take out your mobile phone or tablet. Connect to the dedicated Wi-Fi network of the device. Ensure successful pairing and connection of the device. Open the detection app. Make sure the device is bound, then proceed to the next step. If the connection fails, recheck the Wi-Fi connection or restart the app and camera. Cover the photovoltaic module tightly. Press down closely all around the edges. Completely isolate external strong light and stray light. Prevent ambient light from interfering with detection accuracy. Shooting and imaging operation. Click the camera to capture the image. Wait for imaging to complete. Ensure the image is clear and free of stray light. The imaging is clear. The module status is clear at a glance. Quickly judge pass or fail.